I can't remember the last time I had a Stitch Fix. I am getting them monthly. I shouldn't say that. I'm getting them monthly, but I haven't been filming them because either one, I really didn't have the time to edit them, or they just were not very good. Either the fit was off, and that's partly my fault. I have put some weight on, or, you know, just it was totally not my style. So we're just going to go with this one. I'm filming it. I'm sharing it with you guys, and we'll see what happens. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel, and I am hoping all this works out for me today because I am in need of some new clothes because of some weight gain. Yep, some weight gain, but oh well, it is what it is. You know, what are you going to do? Stitch Fix, $20 styling fee. If you keep all 5 items, you receive an additional 25% off your total, which is great. Let's see what else. Shipping is free, so anything that is sent to you is no cost for shipping, and they give you this nice little envelope to return anything that doesn't work out for you. And if you use my referral link, we both received a $25 credit, which is always nice. They expire though in 90 days. They used to last, and now all of a sudden they're expiring in 90 days. Yeah, I didn't realize that. Okay, let's see what else. Who is my stylist? Melissa. I think I've had Melissa a while, and she really tries. She really, really does. But at this stage in my life, I'm very casual. I'm only looking for unique items, things that are different, not things that I have seen out there for years and years from Stitch Fix in the styles of the shirts and that. So I'm really particular where I spend my money. Also, let's see, they give you this styling sheet on how you can style the items and a note from your stylist, which I don't really follow the style sheets because I have my own stuff in my own closet. I pick and choose based on how I feel and what I think looks good together. For me, it makes me feel good, so I don't pay attention to that. And here's the invoice. Oh, $461.50. If I buy all 5, I receive a $115.38 discount, which would mean this is a $346 fix if I were to keep all 5. Yikes. Okay, well, it's going to have to blow my socks off. That's all I can say. Pricing and everything's in there, but I didn't take a look at that. So let's just get started so I can do a try on for you. All right, what's this? Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. It's a lace top. It looks like it has some letters. I see an A and a K, and the sleeve is sheer. That is cute. It's a more like a ivory, like not an ivory, not a white, maybe an ivory. It has a little collar on it. Oh, it's got these darn double buttons on the back. Ugh, I don't like those. But if I love it and it fits, and the price is right. Oh, that looks a little small. Like I said, I put some weight on. I've updated my sizes. I'm pretty sure I did here. Stitch Fix also. Let's see, what's this? This is, oh, look how cute. Skyzer blue jacket. I think this is like that Scuba. I think they call it a Scuba material. It looks like it's only 3/4 sleeve with a slit. It feels so nice. Oh, look at that. Cute, cute, cute. And it's lined. I love a lined jacket and the print inside. Okay, this is cute. Really, really, oh, slanted pockets. And it has, is that a dart or seam? Oh, it's got seams in the back. So it's going to fit a little better. It's going to lay a little nicer. I love seams. What are these? These are Cosmic Blue Love, pair of black pants. Although we are getting into spring and summer, I think it's going to be, what's the temperature going to be today? I don't know, like 60. It's getting warm. I don't know. These feel heavy, but we'll see. I mean, at this point, if they fit, I'm willing to buy almost anything if it fits. Oh, seriously. Another pair of pants, black. These are by Tribal. Oh, These are the slide on. Hope she sized me up. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if these are gonna fit. I think these are the pull-ons, lots of stretch. I think the last ones I received I really liked, but they were too short. Let's see. They're not as skinny, so that's good. They're a trouser. And then something in denim. What is this? Okay, a lot of material. Oh. It's MADEWELL, and it is a dress, a denim dress with a belt. Oh, it's a midi. Yeah, it's heavy too. Again, I don't know. It's muggy here in Ohio. So it's got pockets. I mean, you never know until you try it on. So let's get to the try on. Let's just start with my least favorite item. Okay, what I thought was my least favorite item in this fix. The denim dress. This is so cute and it's not real heavy. Oh my gosh. Let me back up. Well, I'm not gonna back all the way up yet, but I'm gonna show you some features of it that I really like. I am wearing a size 6 and I'm 5'4" or no, I'm not. I'm 5'3" now for reference, but it is so cute. It has all this stitching gathering around the waist, which gives it some definition so it's not just sitting straight. It's got it in the back. The sleeves, I like my sleeves rolled up. They are a little short, not really. Well, no. I like them a little, I like them a little bit longer, so when I bend my arm, it covers more of my wrist, but it's not bad. So I'm just gonna wear it rolled up anyways. I'll let it just kind of flop around because that's the style that I like. And let's see, it has the belt, the buttons. I have my cami on underneath it. Let me back up. I have to tell you, I had trouble with shoes, and I'll insert some photos of some shoes that I've tried. I am a high heel girl. Love these shoes that I got from Ann Taylor, I don't know how long ago, but look at this. This is so cute. Has pockets. It's not lined, which isn't a surprise, but it's a substantial material without being too heavy. And it's not thin. So it's like a nice medium weight. The length is good. I'd probably like it a little bit shorter for me, but I would wear it like this. Look how cute. This is so cute. It's got the collar. What else can I tell you about it? The buttons. Let me show it to you without the belt because that's might be how I would wear it. Now I tried it on with a pair of white tennis shoes. Probably need a nicer pair of tennis shoes to wear with it for just casual, running around, just wearing it during the day, meeting up with some girlfriends, or I put it on with my wedge shoes, which I think are kind of cute also, but I actually like the shoes that I actually have on. So see, I could wear it without a belt, which I probably prefer it without the belt. It does gather a little bit here, but it's my shape, it's my size, what can I say? Okay, this is so cute. Did I tell you it's $128? Yeah, $128. These are my shoes that I'm wearing it with. I love these. Ladies, if you have bunions, these are perfect. Ann Taylor shoes are perfect because they're cut out here and it gives you room for the bunion. Yeah, I don't have problems. They're not real padded. Well, there's some padding. I'm not gonna go shopping in them. I'm not gonna go run errands. I'm gonna go wear these to go out to dinner. Well, I've worn them a lot. Out to dinner with someone, go to a play or whatever, an event or something, I will wear these. But they don't have this particular one anymore, but I'll leave a link below on what they do have that are the same style shoe. Love them. And the heel's not too high. It's, I don't know, I think that's probably a 2.5 inch maybe. I don't even know, but it's a great height for me. Okay, so what do you guys, I can't get the shoe back on. What do you guys think of this dress? It's a surprise. I was just gonna say No way. Cute. All right, let's see what's next. Pretty cute. I have to say, I really like this top. It is so cute. It's feminine. You can dress it up. You could dress it down. You could wear it with jeans. The letters on it are actually the designer's name, Karl Lagerfeld. And it's cute. I don't know what else to say. It is lined. It has the collar. I like that the sleeves are sheer. It does, like I said, have the buttons in the back. Only buttoned one. It is $99.50. Okay, I like it, but I don't love it for $99.50. You guys know me. I will spend money on an item that I actually love. So as much as I really like this, I'm not willing to spend $99.50 for it. Did I tell you I'm wearing a size small? Okay, let me tell you about these trousers. Oh my gosh, I love these. Love, love, love these. I'm gonna just try to do a front tuck here. They're by Tribal. Back up. They are a boot cut. They're called a Thea boot cut trouser. They're a slide on, no buttons, no zipper, no nothing. They feel amazing. The length is great to wear with heels. They might be a little long for flats, but like I said, I am a heel person, high heel girl. You could wear these casual, you could dress them up. They feel amazing. I am wearing this color is black. These are size 8, but I'm thinking I might want to try a size 10 in these. I mean, they were pretty tough to get up over the hips. But the more I'm wearing them, because I've actually had a few phone calls, so I sat down, I'm like, oh, these feel pretty good. They do, but I don't know if I'm finished gaining any weight yet. So I would like to be able to get some use out of these. They feel amazing. I'm afraid at 10, the crotch might be too long because these are a little bit long, but they are trousers. I don't know. I'll have to watch the video back. You guys let me know what you think. All right. Let me just tell you, with this top, I have tried, that's why my hair is a disaster right now. I have tried every jacket on that I own, every cardigan, and because if you like this shirt, let me show you the problem. Here's the jacket that is in my fix, and it is by Skies Are Blue. It's $88, which I don't think is a bad price. This is size small. And it's called the Mmodal Scuba Blazer. I don't think this top looks, I don't think it looks good. It needs buttons or something with any of the jackets that I have or this particular jacket. My stylist did not recommend that I wear the two together, but look at this. This has the slit and the slit pockets. Detail on the back. I'm going to try it on with a different top to show you, but I just wanted to show you the struggle that I have with this particular neckline for me personally. All right, I've got one more outfit. Okay, here's the jacket with the shirt that I would wear with it, the style, and I think it's great. I love this jacket for $88 with the lining. I love that there's some stitching detail on it. I like the 3/4 sleeves for spring and summer because that's, I might just grab this to take into a restaurant with me, something to put on because, restaurants are really freezing in the summer. No buttons. It's got this nice little lapel, I guess, on it. It's just really, really nice. Of course, I love the color. All right, let's talk about these pants. Oh my gosh, these pants are for tall people. And like I said, I'm only 5'3", but they are pretty nice. They're only $88. They are by Cosmic Blue. They have the slanted pockets, which for someone that is hippie and has a belly growing on them, they're gonna stick out, they're gonna pull. The waistband fits fine. Did I tell you I'm wearing a size 8? Here's the length with my heels, and here it is with it rolled under. It's probably about another 3 to 4 inches too long. But they're really nice. I mean, they feel nice, but I'm not gonna spend money to get them hemmed. So those are going back. I am thinking about, I'm gonna keep the jacket. I'm gonna Google to see if it's cheaper somewhere else, and then I can try to negotiate with Stitch Fix. And I'm keeping the tribal pants. I'm debating about the denim dress. I like it. I don't know how much I would pull for it for $128. So I might pass on that right now. Keep my eye out for it later maybe, but I did like it. I like the fit, but I'm not probably going to reach for it. Okay, one other thing. I want to ask you guys, those of you have, I can't even get it out. Those of you who have been following me have not seen a lot of me. I haven't been on a schedule. There's been a lot going on in my life for the last 2 years, which a lot of you know about. And my question to you is, would you like an updated video? It's not gonna be, all roses and flowers or whatever they say. It is going to be the raw emotions, medical problems, stress, and life. And just kind of, some of the things I will have to share with you might help you. Maybe you're having the same symptoms that I've had. Maybe you're dealing with similar things that I'm dealing with. So are you interested in that? Let me know. Leave a comment below. Depending on the comments, I've been on the fence about sharing what has been going on in my life and with me physically and mentally. But I might feel better to get it off my chest. So who better than my friends? So let me know, leave a comment, and what do you think of the Stitch Fix box? I'm a happy girl. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.